Good morning, students. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Education online classes. The trigonometry chapter I have started on last term. Now, and last term I am telling you about the square relations. There are three main square relations: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and the third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, they are the three main square relations in trigonometry. Okay, now let's see how to come this value, how to prove this equation, this square relation. Okay, I am going to tell you first one: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let's see how it comes. First, we take a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree, A, B and C. Angle A is known as theta. Okay, clear? So this is the right angle triangle ABC. At B it is 90 degree. We will consider angle A as theta, and we take this angle sin theta, and here we let perpendicular is equal to x base y, and hypo is r. So for this theta angle, perpendicular is x, base is AB, okay, and hypo is AC, it means r. Okay, okay. Now let's see. As we know, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypo. Hypotenuse, I am write it in short, hypo. Okay. Perpendicular is x and hypo is r. Similarly, cos theta will be, on last time I told you about PBB and HHB. This is the short trick to learn trigonometrical ratios. PBB, HHB means perpendicular, base, perpendicular. The first one is sin, second is cos, third is tan, and in reverse it is cot, sec, cosec. Okay, I have told it to you. So according to this, sin will be, sin क्या होगा? Perpendicular upon hypo, x upon r. Cos theta क्या होगा? Cos theta. For this theta angle, cos theta is base upon hypo, means base is AB and hypo is AC, means y upon r. Base upon hypo means y upon r. So from this equation, LHS, we take LHS sin square theta plus cos square theta. In place of sin theta, we place x upon r whole square plus y upon r whole square. So it comes x square upon r square plus y square upon r square. So it comes x square plus y square, because denominator are same, so it will directly add x square plus y square upon r square. Clear? In place of x square plus y square, we write r square upon, और डिनोमिनेटर में पहले से r स्क्वायर पर x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर की जगह क्या लिख दिया हमने r स्क्वायर. कैसे लिख दिया? जब हम लोग when we use पाइथागोरस थ्योरम here, so पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होता है? हाइपो स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर, या परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर, बोथ आर सेम. ओके, सो this is the relation from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So in place of x square plus y square, we write r square. So r square will r square cancel. It comes 1. So see how to prove. Okay. I hope you will understand it. So this is the proof of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Same we do with other square relations. Same process we use in other square relations. Okay, you can see this proof in your book also at page number 242. Clear? At page number 240. Okay. Now see the other proof. The other is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay, LHS 1 plus tan in place of tan square theta, tan theta क्या होता है? sin cos tan. तो tan theta हो जाएगा आपका परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. सो परपेंडिकुलर यहाँ पे थीटा एंगल के लिए परपेंडिकुलर क्या है? x है और बेस क्या है? y. तो ये हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर अपॉन y स्क्वायर. On taking LCM, we get y square plus x square upon y square. In place of x square plus y square ये पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? अभी मैंने बताया था r square. Okay, r square upon y square. Now see, r square upon y square. r क्या है यहाँ पे? हाइपो, और y क्या है यहाँ पर? बेस. हाइपो अपॉन बेस. तो हाइपो अपॉन बेस क्या होगा? हाइपो अपॉन बेस होगा यहाँ पे कॉट. क्या होगा? कॉट. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका हाइपो अपॉन बेस. आर स्क्वायर अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर. Something is wrong. Let's see. It is correct. X square plus y square upon y square. Okay. So x square plus y square upon y square. In place of x square plus y square, we write r square. R square upon y square. R square upon y square means r क्या यहाँ पे? r है हाइपो और y क्या है? बेस. It means बेस of हाइपो अपॉन बेस क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? हाइपो अपॉन बेस हो जाएगा आपका सेक. ओके. बेस अपॉन हाइपो क्या हो जाएगा? कॉस. क्लियर? और हाइपो अपॉन बेस क्या होगा? सेक. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा आपका सेक स्क्वायर. क्लियर? सेक स्क्वायर थीटा. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. It is proved. Now see the last one. Last one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. The proof is same, the process is same. 1 plus, first we take LHS, 1 plus tan cot square theta, and cot is sin cos tan cot. Cot is based upon perpendicular. Base यहाँ पे क्या है? Base of y and perpendicular is x. Base upon perpendicular. It comes x square plus y square upon x square. In place of x square plus y square, we write r square upon x square. और r square upon x square क्या होगा? r square upon x square means hypo is upon perpendicular. Hypo upon perpendicular is cosec. So it becomes cosec square theta. Okay, clear this? Now we move to the exercise. By using all the relations, we will do the exercise of chapter 20. Now move to the page number 242, exercise 28. First question is, I am going to tell you the question number 3 from the book. Figure is given like this, and this is right angle. Right angle at A, B, and C. AB is given. Now, question number 3. So this is the figure ABC. Okay. In the given figure, write down the values of sin B, tan B, cos C, cot C. Okay. The question is on page number 243. In this figure, in this right angle triangle, only 2 sides are given. Okay, we have to find the third side. And 2 sides कौन से given है? The side opposite to the right angle is hypo. So hypo is 17. ये तो clear है कि hypo यहाँ पे क्या 17 सेंटीमीटर है. Base या base ये भी हो सकता है, base ये भी हो सकता है. अगर हम लोग angle C लेते हैं, तो angle C के opposite में कौन सी साइड है? AB. तो ये perpendicular हो जाएगी AB. और तब उस कंडीशन में AC क्या हो जाएगा? बेस. और अगर हम लोग एंगल B लेते हैं तो एंगल B के ऑपोजिट में जो साइड होगी वो क्या हो जाएगा? परपेंडिकुलर. और AC AB क्या हो जाएगा? बेस. नाउ we have to find the third side using Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypo square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, but here we have to find base. Clear? If we are talking about angle B, then according to angle B, this is AB क्या हो जाएगा? AB क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? Base and AC is perpendicular. And for angle, so it is perpendicular. Perpendicular square is equal to hypo square minus base square. Clear? So it will come 17 square minus 15 square. So it comes 289 minus 225 is equal to 64. Square root of 64 will be 8. तो यहाँ से AC कितना आ गया? AC is 8. Okay. So this is by the Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem. तो सबसे पहले इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आप जो थर्ड साइड नहीं गिवन है तो आपको वो फाइंड करना होगा. ओके, you have to find the third side. Now let's see the first ratio is sin B. Sin B. As we know, sin theta क्या होता है? Perpendicular upon hypo. For angle B, perpendicular is AC and base is and hypo is BC. So it comes 8 upon 17. Similarly, tan B cos C, we have to find tan B cos C, and the last one is tan cos C. Okay. For tan B is equal to tan क्या होगा? Perpendicular upon base. For angle B, perpendicular is AC and base is AB. So it comes 8 upon 15. Okay. Tan B perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is this and base is AB. Now next is cos C. Cos C for angle C. Now we see the angle Now take angle C as reference. तो एंगल C के लिए cos C क्या हो जाएगा? cos होगा base upon hypo. For this angle base is AC base upon hypo, and hypo is same. Hypo to same value. Hypo will not change. So AC is 8 and hypo is 8. Now cot C. Cot C क्या होगा? For cot C, base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. तो base यहाँ पर कितना है? Cot for this angle, for C angle, base is 8 and perpendicular is 15. Clear? Now the fifth one is, so this is the second number. Second of third, fourth, and now we move to the fifth one. The fifth one is sin B cos C. Sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. तो sin B पहले ही लोग फाइंड कर चुके हैं 8/17. cos C I think cos C को लोग फाइंड कर चुके हैं 8/17. cos B क्या हो जाएगा? cos क्या होता है? बेस अपॉन हाइपो. तो बेस हो जाएगा AB 15 अपॉन हाइपो 17. and do sin C. Sin is perpendicular upon hypo. For this angle perpendicular is 15 upon hypo 17. Okay, so it comes 64 upon 289. It will come 225 upon 289. 64 plus 225 upon 289. So it comes 289 upon 289. Answer is 1. Clear? Answer is 1. Similarly, we do the last part same as it. In next turn, we will discuss some more questions based on it. Till then, you have to do the question till question number 10 in homework. Okay? Thank you, students.